Hi, welcome to the Big Nibble event and welcome to Horsham District Wellbeing. My name's Andy and here today I'm just going to tell you a little bit about our service and how we can help you. So we're a free service and we work across the community and in workplaces too to help people to make lifestyle changes. So when you come and see me as a wellbeing advisor, I can work with you over 3 sessions to help look at your behaviours, your habits, and also set small goals too, and make long-term lifestyle changes. So beyond that, we do also have free courses too. So if you're looking to get more active and you're not active currently, we've got our Get Active courses. We have our weight off workshops to help people to lose weight. Working over 12 weeks, looking at different aspects of healthy eating, physical activity there. And then also we have our Strong and Steady courses too. So this is another course. If you're worried about slips, trips and falls and would like to improve your strength and balance, then this could be the course for you. We also help people to stop smoking and look at the different options available, because there's lots of options available now to help you quit smoking. And then finally, we've got Sam, who's our alcohol wellbeing advisor, who can help you to cut back on alcohol too. So that's us in a nutshell. We do also offer signposting support to other services too. So there may not be a service that you know about but would like to improve your health and well-being in some way. We can help you to access that service. So thanks for listening today and enjoy the rest of the event. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple grain bowl using couscous. There's lots of different options when it comes to whole grains, so I'd say try different grains, see what works for you. Really nice one to try is quinoa or bulgur wheat. Today we're going to be using kale, tomatoes, mixed nuts, sprouted lentils and vegetable stock. So we've got 200 ml of vegetable stock. So we're just going to add that to the couscous. And then we're just going to leave that for about 8 minutes. Okay, so for the next part, you can see that the couscous is nice and fluffy now. We've added the vegetable stock. We've left it for 8 minutes. Now we're going to add the kale. So a big tip is to remove the woody stems and to just, in your hands, just scrunch up the kale before you add it to the couscous. So I'm just going to scrunch it up and then start to add it on to the couscous. Okay, next we take our handful of tomatoes. Let's add them on. Okay, next we're going to add a small amount of chopped nuts, about 30 grams chopped nuts that are mixed, just to add a nice nutty flavour. Then we're going to add our sprouted lentils. And then finally, I've got a little bit of olive oil and za'atar, which is just a combination of mixed herbs. So we're just going to pour that over the salad there. And there you are. You can see my finished mixed grain bowl, nice and colourful and nutritious.